Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentang Shillong. Nalor ka jingsam certificate sakilat aikam kedaulanti ka DBTS yaki Samla. Ka ASMITA kan penlong lempung yaleka kintei hamadan marngar hakah nyo tarik Lber. Khur takma kinong yaleka ka Meghalaya Bali Indonesia. Ban Playing school bathamai uba rumboi ha shru jirang. Bat mentang ini apa shiki Khubor ki bakambania. Hakasan tarik Lber ka Donbosco Technical School kalai yo bansa me ki certificate shaki pras pa ngut ki khna Samla kentei bat shinrang ki bala pendep ki training baper ki badan kumba khat pratli ki judging stan ki bakenthop ya ka graphic design and animator. Assistant Electrician, Welding Technician Level 3, Cosmetologist, Automotive Service Technician, CNC, Machining and Woodworking Operators, Street Food Vendor, Sewing Machine Operator, Lambat QA. Haka jinga trailang bat ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, MSSDS. Yakane ka jinga lang, lapenlong hapalau ka Donbosco Technical School Shillong, hakabala donlang u Reverend Padar Saji Stephen, Rector, Reverend Padar Shining Khar, Principal, ka Chingba Marak, MCS, kum ka kongsan, bat ka kong Park Siar Nongklau, na ka MSSDS. Haba ajing kran hakani ka jingelang, ka kongsan kalaong, ka jingsam yaki certificate, kamday tang ka jing penkup buram, Henry kalong shibenta ka jing penslur bat jingkerku na ka benta kalawe jong pi. Kalau ong ru kani kadai ka jing sedang jong ka jing em jong pi ban kentiu yala de bat yala ka ying ka sem. Hakani ka sngi ka Donbosco Technical School kala penlong ru ya ka placement drive kum kalat ban yarap aikam ki Samla ki bala pendap ki training baper da ka jing tray lang bat ki company bat ki dukan penmi jing bam kiba nakane ka Jylla bat naki way pat ki Jylla kari India.
Into livelihood, to translate skill into entrepreneurship. That is the task with you. We have done our job. The trainers have done their job of pass the skill into you. Now the onus is on you. The responsibility is on you. Can you translate the skill that you have gained into something useful for yourself, for your family, and for society? That is post-training component. Therefore, there will be following up. From the institute, we will follow you up. What are you doing? Are you working? If you're working, then please submit your appointment letters that you receive. You need to document them. If you don't receive, suppose you are placed, you're supposed to get an appointment letter. If you're going for self-employment, you start a business in your own, then we need to document that also. You'll get guidance from the placement cell where you will have to fill up the form, self-employment form. You have to fill it up. We just need your signature that you are doing that work, you are occupied, self-employed, and also photographic evidence that you are self-employed. These are what you have to, we ask you to cooperate with the staff in the coming days. So the trainees, please do not block the number of the staff. Please receive calls from the teachers because for the next 6 months, we have to follow you up. We have to follow you up. What were you doing? In case you are struggling to get work, you are most welcome anytime here. Go to the placement cell, meet the placement coordinator, and look for opportunities where we can help you to get work. Because that is our mission here. And the intention of the government is to give you skill and also employment. That's how we can improve the overall employment status here in the state. And definitely if you work, you will also contribute economically to the economy of the state. Ivan Kerlang ng room. Ivan Ker. She is not here. She is already employed. She got a job yesterday. Ken Saibor lang lengdok ng light. Ken Saibor. Then from welding, Michael Lengdok is here. Okay, next. Hauru is here. DTP Lisa Mary Mukim. Is she here? Please. The next, Barisha Mapaniam, Daniel Supai, Daniel, Melvin.
By our talented candidates under MSSDS, Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. Let us remember that today is not just a felicitation program. It is a celebration of dedication, perseverance, and transformation. Each one of you seated here has taken a courageous step, the step to learn, to grow, and to shape your own future. Like how our father has mentioned, you are no longer in that category of non-employable youth. You can always be proud of yourself for that. Skill development is not merely about acquiring technical knowledge. It is about building confidence, discipline, and the ability to adapt. And you have to learn to adapt to this rapidly revolving world. The trainees, the trainers, whatever you have learned today, remember that it's not going to be static. You always have to upgrade yourself. You always have to adapt to the new changes that comes in your way. Through MSSDS, you have gained industry-relevant skills that empower you to stand strong in today's competitive environment. Today, as you receive this certificate, you may recall the stories that you all have. A story of early mornings, long hours of practice, overcoming doubts, balancing with responsibilities, and refusing to give up. You might have been trained for a few years or maybe for a few months, but I know that thing is easy. You all have struggled and you all have reached to this point. You have not only completed a course, but you have completed a chapter of self-discovery and achievement. I would also like to take a moment to appreciate the dedicated trainers, coordinators, and support staff who have guided these candidates with patience and commitment. Your mentorship has been instrumental in shaping not just skilled professionals, but responsible and confident individuals. How many of you believe that you have become more confident than before you were joining this? Anybody? Oh yes, I can see a few hands. People are, the trainees, are you not confident in yourself? I believe you have become more confident than before you joined this. Yes or no? Yes. Good. And to the families present here, your encouragement, sacrifice, and unwavering belief have played a vital role in this success. This achievement belongs to you as much as it belongs to the trainees. Dear achievers, as you step into the professional world, remember that this certificate is not a destination. It is the beginning. Our father has informed, placement drive is already ready for you. You're going to step into a new world. The skills you have acquired are tools. Your attitude, integrity, and continuous willingness to learn will determine how far you will go. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Remember, nothing is easy. Life is not a bed of roses. Continue upgrading your skills. Dream big, but also work consistently towards your dreams. You are now ambassadors of your skill excellence. Wherever you go, carry forward the values of hard work, professionalism, and lifelong learning. The future belongs to those who are prepared, and today you have proven that you are prepared. Have you? Have you proven yourself that you are prepared to step into the new world today? Yes or no? You should have confidence in yourself, okay? You should be ready to do everything that comes in your way. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend my heart.
Banrakhi yakasngi bakarpang jangki kenthe shitalup kaperthei International Women's Day. Menta usnam ka Khelo India Center KIC Ribhoi District rengkat berka Sports Authority of India SAI ka Sports and Youth Affairs jang ka Sarkar Jylla lengba ki District Sports Office District Youth Officer bat ka Mai Bharat kin penlong hakah nyau tarik Lber ya ka lumpung ya lekai ki kenthei bala ai kerteng Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action ASMITA Hamadan Marngar Kijing lekai hakane ka lumpung ki kenthop ya ka jingya kop mare shispa arspa bat sauspa mitar na ka benta ki samla kenthei ki bahapo khatlai snam khatlai hadu khat prasnam pat kitu ki balapalat ya ka khat prasnam shaneng Ha Meghalaya ya kane ka lumpung ya kop en penlong hamarngar ribhoi Nongstoin West Khasi Hills but William Nagar East Garo Hills Labatha ikitu ki bakwa ban shimbenta ha kane ka lumpung kin apply lengba kane ka website balapan I harum. Ya kirta jong kinong shimbenta in page benia ha katu ka sngi ya ki adhar card jong ki. Kajing thmu jong kane ka lumpung kalong ban penslur bat ban kentiu ya ki kenthei ha ki jingele kai babon jat jong kane ka juk menta.
Nakalian Khelo India coach but office my farat haka jingya trelang but ka Khelo India Center ni penlong ya ka Asmita Athletic League ban penlong ya ka International Women's Day but ya kane ka jingrakhe en penlong haka Madan Marngar ka ban long ha new tarik March 2026 haka ne ka jingrakhe ya kane ka Asmita League en penlong ya ka jingya lekai athletic kan thup ya ka 6 meter aspa meter South meter but ka fun game ya tug of war kumta ni khot snobha ya ki samla kan thei but ki longmi ya kan ka jingya lekai ni thia ya ka live benta under 13 under 18 but above 18 ki ba wan shakhmat ha kan ka jingya lekai lengba ka Khelo India kila ban shim ban jit ban late trial society sport authority of India ni ken tu ya ki khna samla kan thei but ki longmi when a shim benta ya kan ka jingya rekha International Women's Day nakabenta penrung keteng but register yala day hakane phila ban lecha portal my bharat hakane ka jingya rekha International Women's Day kum ka shibenta ban kot ka khia namta bara pibriu te kumta kane ka por ba reporting time jo kane ka por new buje man step kuleu chuman
Ki Samla ya lekai kickboxing ka Jylla kila wanra nam bat buram da kabayo khur santli ki takma ha ka lumpung ya lekai Asian Pacific Kickboxing Championship ar pun Rio kabala long Habali Indonesia. Habakran sekilat pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club. U President ko All Meghalaya Kickboxing Championship ba Samuel Hasha Ula penpau ya kajing skongu ya ki Samla ya lekai ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association ki bala wanra nam ya ka Jylla ha kani ka rensan ya lekai ka badang shudap Longshen Habali Indonesia. Ula ya thu ki Samla ki bala lit shimbenta shaka Asian Pacific Kickboxing Championship ha Indonesia ki kentop ya ka hybrid Army Grace nong besap shi postnam sub junior ka bala yo ya ka gold medal ka Uzanika nong besap khat arsnam karta sub junior kabalayo gold medal ka Ban Shailen Grace Masharing khat sausnam sub junior kabayo silver medal ka Blayona Kharmujai khat kandai snam balayo bronze medal u Mewan Pendap Marpan khat riusnam u balayo yaka silver medal Nalor kata ulapan pau kajing sngongu yaki kemi ki kpa ki riu shin met ki bala no senyang bat ban kershan yaki jinglut jingsep naga benta kini kinong lekai Ula kerpat ya ka Sarkar bahkan itu no ya ka jingele kai kickboxing ha ka Jylla. Halor kani ka jing kerpat ula tho shithi bun sin shaka Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kumju ru sha u Director Sports and Youth Affairs ban itu no tang ka we ka association daga ba penlong da ka election ban jit ya kinong kit kam jongka.
Enough, no? kalau kong sana na ayo yo rei try juga pelari la semua sekali ini pelakar Khubor lo ini di Lber ke juga Khubor khrau ke beli ni la posu posan yang saya sempat hamne hari beri jungi deh hak negara start ni wan mempentit pai ba ya kai ke ba na kala juga all me leki boxing association ilawan ra e kaburom na kunta kari hi barakoi kari India ba ya ka Jylla Meghalaya jungi barakoi je nila lai banshim manta hagane ka Asian Pacific Open International Kickboxing Championship kawalalom hapo Bali hapo Indonesia naduka arko South tarik haduka arko tarik te nakalen ka jong ka angka nila yalam ye kini kihna kibala sha select but kibala yo ya ka gold medal su napo national championship kawalalom shen hapo kanamba Orissa nila jit sanmul ki players nangne napo Jylla Meghalaya ban represent ya ka India bat ya ka Jylla jungi ita ilong banengkong emigrate nong sap shipostman sub junior K1 light R2 kg category i layo ya ka gold medals ozameka nong sap khat arsnan sub junior K1 light R5 kg category gold medals but Banchailin Grace Masharin Khatsan Slam junior K1 light 45 kg category silver medals but Biona Kharmujai Khandai Slam senior K1 light 47 kg category bronze medals but Mewan Pendap Marpan Khandru Slam junior low kick 57 kg category silver medals dekini ki khna ki kila lakai bha hakate ka Asian Pacific Open Kickboxing Championship di ngai khublai kapang but ngai congratulate ya kini ki players ki jongi ki bala wan ra shisha ya kaburong na benta ka ri India ki barokoi but nak benta ka jing sarong nak benta ka Jylla Meghalaya ka ba i ki jongi te ka jingla ka jongki ban wan ra ya kini ki medals but ini ka burong nak benta ka ri India kalong lengba ka jing treshitong ka jongki ka ba ki la practice mid labatsni shwaban lai shati shapo kane ka Asian Pacific International Kickboxing Championship but ka jingla ka jongki ban ai ya ka por ban train ya lade rengkat batnya hante hapo apar Shillong shwaban lai ni prepare ya kane ka jingle ka jongi kumba ar banai ti kajing le kairo kamde ka basok namar ba kare ka international te khndiat hak ba ye bat kajing la ka jongki kalong ba kamsong hakta kajing jorong ne kajing langkot ho ki khna player ki jongi ki dong ki balangkot ki ba khamrit briu andre shibenta kadon ka advantage shibenta kadon ha ka disadvantage namar ba ki khna pharang bat namar ba ki yakendo bat na po Philippines na po Canada namne na po New Zealand ki yakendo na po Indonesia andre ki khna jongi ki khamstat khandiat namar ba ki khamrit ki khamstat bat ki la man phet chane jete te ki la man chimpon ni ka ju kapor kata ka de ka jin la ka jongi te pro ki school ki ba ki ba ke ki khna ke ki lai te na galeng jo school ki la support kuble shibun na bentar ki school ki ba ki khna ki jumi ki la lai te ngai kuble kar pangro ya ki parlo parjor ki bala support ini na koi kapor but kham tam ya ka all Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hi bar koi but ya ka membership ki badon ha kane ka all Meghalaya Kickboxing Association te na galeng ka jumi ngai kuble kar pangro ya fi ki media ki ba ki sanut ki players na kaleng jongi kan thei ki don saumut bat iwe ishin ram te sub junior ki don armut junior iwi but senior sub junior arngot junior arngot but senior iwi te kilong sangot bar na kaneka Jylla ka jumi Andre kidon kari India bar ko ni don kumbashi pomut nomor kidon ke ba nangte ko orisaro sangot kishingram ke balik na yeshimata te baro total kilong shikomut Andre ke ba yo gold medals manwanra ya kari India ni bar ko ka ki kilong southly ka gold medals southly ka silver medals but partly ka bronze medals kita kini ki kajin warna borong jo ki kena jo kari India na kita kari hi marokoi kale jo na sport minister te diklem yo jingya pe yo am shite garo amut kita kari jingna na kalian ka kajoni ya ka sarkar Jylla kim Samla wan chakhama ban pediang borong ya kini kena ki joni te na kalian ka joma na sosi hado kata-kata bat ki kena ro ki don hi kajing sosi bat kalau membawa kadu jingkarmen nama mana kalian juga sports department tu hanging shisha ka kickboxing kadai kawai ka sports ka balatin maha kadai ka Jylla jongi but kadai ka non olympic games wat la kataro kadai ka sports sifat lada nak kamdai ka non kadai kamdai ka game ka balatin ka olympics wat la kataro hanging shisha kadai ka game ni kaba kikna ha ka perthai baro kawai kilakai ha bat ha kari India kilakai ha wat hanne ha Jylla jongi ru na ui usnam shawi usnam nilawan ra medals ya ka Jylla ka shakai ha wat tan kaneka association ka jongi ru na du arjar khasan hadu menta amduna shu ya ka light spot tam ki medals te but naka regional naka northeast naka national but menta naka international hukum ju te naka len ka jongi ni sosi hajing shisha naka len ka jongi imde ni shongkiti nilawan khasan hi banyak keren ya kata natu mensual aslan but recognize no ru ya kaneka kickboxing hako ka Jylla ka jongi kum kawai ka sports discipline ka bala itu hako ka Jylla hendrai na kalian ka jongi ki issue bu pending sa tat hadu pamental lami pun tuli sapi association mensua empat ki association tan ko ka association hendrai ki bu pending sa hadu mental minister la kan numuchu director of sports la kan numuchu hendrai ki klem Samla le AAM kim phai khamat hendrai ki neglect yangi bat ki sideline na kai ka dong hamtit ne ki isi yangi ne ki isi na kai karo ni tip ya kata hendrai at least more or less kila de ben khot ini menta last time ro kila khot yangi na kai ka jungi ko ban de trailan but no na ka menta ka jingmen to ju ki khna ki jungi na menta ka future ka joki amde na menta junga na menta yala de men le ayushu hendrai ka bakong sam na prakhat na menta ki student ki jungi Nari mendapat hapor India lawan atlet likely federation. Mentana posted jungi lawan atlet likely federation. Te lada ka sokar, lada ka director of sports, balada ka Meghalaya Olympic Association. Kam donjing ban khot iki. Phi baro ki association no wan shakman baro atlet likely phi hapan march no tan kawai ka association. Kila de men ungta. Lada ki pamtre ngin otno iki ngin ayat dai patre. Kum kita ro ke kham khat hendrai ki shu isa ngala da ai ka letter nadu December ngala ai be ko ka letter nadu December ba sir to the president of Meghalaya Olympic Association and to the director of sports from the all Meghalaya Kickboxing Association we already discussed we had a meeting and we are very happy to come forward to work together with other association and to form only one association in the state of Meghalaya but through the election hendrai hadu menta ni khlamyo ya ka jing panphai tin na nang jongki hendrai ki shu isa bat menta pat yano ki bakis ngotna ka association kino mensim shata ya ka bakis ngotna kim no are kata kade ka jing yo I ka joni hendrai menta pat ki khna joni ki lawan ra medals nadu na Indonesia ka jing lu joki ka basher khai Undai balut ka director of sports, ne undai balut ka Meghalaya Olympic Association. Undai kilut naka pla ki jongi kimi kikpa, bat na ki perlo parjo kiba yarap lem na benta ka jongi, bat kan tiu ki kena Samla na benta ka future jonga sports. Kata gari ki kena Samla ki balai ka ki sports ki ba pher. Ngam kebangan tak penjar kerja. Mereka pun ki sports pakai hak negara Jylla kejungi. Kasorkar kalau pular bah ya ki kena Samla ki bah honra medals naga national dan international dan naga Olympic kin hak kerpang naga penjar kejungi. Ya ka hak bayi bagi scholarship, hak bayi bagi cash award, ne hak bayi bagi kam kejang. Teka jing i kejunga kal hak bayi bagi but nakalian kejungi jong kasai hi ka all American Kickboxing Association ni sokmen hadu kata-kata but tangwa ni long daud pat hadu katno nakalian jong kasorkar kin simkhya hak bayi berkani hato kila mang lapane kata kam kejam na bentak kini kena Samla kibala wanra ya kaburong na bentak kari India bat na bentak kari Meghalaya jongi bat na hato kila bu gerpang na kata fund nak bentar kini kena hak di bagi scholarship nang tahato kila bu kerpang ne ya kata cash award nak bentar kini kena bagi nang jam syafrang susu rengkat berkajing kuliah kajong pi hapoka school bat rengkat bat ka sports ka bagi kila kai ka nadu mentah danglit kila wanra keburung nak bentar Jylla bat tat hadu ndak kila he lakot kata arta khatras nem hato kin ahne ndala khatras nam kata kin yo ne ya kata kam namar menta ki wanra ka burong nang takari hakor bikinan khna kali ka arta ka joki hato kali ka certificate ka joki kadang trikam ne tat nda kila dak khatras ne te kata ka de jigli ka junga but government kam kumba ka government hi kalkula bag government kam bakal ka sarkar ka ba ye ke jongi kin le ya kata ka kam ka badon kam na bentar Ban I collector Shao sport minister de Rai Nagaland jo sport minister Samla I kana wano ka kentin Nagaland ka jumi ka ba laman I ne bamla ne hakajing sisa kat kajing tip ka jonga kat kajing yosong ka jonga ka don ka scheme ka bakar pang na ka benta ki Olympic recognition ba ki bam de ki non Olympic recognition ro ka ka fan tanpa balik kimla aban ayah kata kafan nak bentaki non Olympic recognition ro.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jylla ba lekmen rumbui menta ke sengi santarik Lber ula play pat ba ya ke building bathamai jong ke skul Shru RMSA Secondary School ba ke Sarkar Meghalaya kala penyeng hasnong Shru ka snong ka badan hasenda bat kisnong ke Jylla Assam ka bahab Hajirang constituency. Nalor uba lekmen rumbui Lasaki langru ia kini kesngi da uba sos tenus sotun Menteri Ketenat CNRD uba Bantelang J Karshandi Deputy State Project Director u Samor Rabha rangba shnong Shru ka kong cheerily karbi keu headmistress jong kani ke school ki kena school ki nong hikai bat ki long kemi long kpa nakani kathan ya kani ke building bathamai jong ke school RMSA latei haka jinglut kabakot iway pon laipo klur tengka bat hakani ke school lahikai de kinong hikai na Meghalaya kat ba ki khna kila khle bon jat benriu na kisnong Meghalaya bat na Assam kajingla ka sarkar Meghalaya lengba Ketenat Pulih Putih ban penyeng ya ka building ka school RMSA hakate kisnong kalalong ka way na kisaki ba ka Meghalaya kaya le ban penpoi ya ki kam penroi hakisnong khaput pat kham tam hakani kathan
How many of you who have applied a scholarship in this village, in this area? Tomorrow, more than 1 lakh students, they will get a scholarship of 6,000 each tomorrow. And also, I don't know how many of the students here who has submitted their bank account, the upper and the lower primary school, who has submitted their bank account to enable the government to transfer the uniform grant directly to the account of the parent. I don't know how much, sir may know better. which whoever have done, tomorrow Honorable Chief Minister will transfer directly to the account of their parent. Why we do this? We do this, we know that education is very, very important. And we know that education is not important only for the rich. It's education not only for the people of Shillong or the people of Nongpo. Education is for all over the state. That's why this school has been upgraded here from upper primary in 2024, upgraded to secondary school RMSE. It is because for you, because the government want to give the opportunity to every nook and corner of the state. Having said that, do we have finished the journey? No. Many things have to be done. Many things have to be done. But we need your cooperation. You have to cooperate with the government, with your MLA, MDC, so that many more transformation it can be brought forward. More importantly, we know that before 2018, the post-matric scholarship is only 5, 6, 7,000. But now, up to 40,000, depend upon the grade or the class which the student are studying. So that's why this government has the plan for the people from the youngest till the youth of today. And more importantly, now this year we have introduced one more subject for the class 6 and above, which is the community skills integrated learning, with this it will enable the student, for you student, to do whatever you like, to practice whatever skills you have, but you will get marks. So this we are opening an opportunity. And most importantly, we know that now many people here are speaking Assamese, but today I'm going to Tura. I don't know, I didn't understand Garo. And Garo, when they come to Khasi Jaitia, they didn't understand. So that's why we introduced a book in the lower primary school, so that at this basic Khasi, basic Garo, we should learn, so that we will be able to communicate with each other. So many initiatives the government have taken, but we need your cooperation. We need your cooperation. When we sit in the office of the headmistress, Madam C. Harvey Q, we know that she has a plan. She has a plan to have one managing committee for the lower, upper, and the RMSA. So it is up to you. Once you decide, the director will approve from the government.
Badaki tugi khubor ngla poy shaka bakut tarhadu banginde ya shembiang khuble shibon.